Hi. Arriba urata, isapa. Como se sube uno, o sea, como con el chuzo. Mani, pues para dejar. Suba. Sengila, so it's easy guys, nyaman kami.
If I'm being for real with myself, I'm so tired of living like this. My room has so much potential, but it's looking a bit awkward. Honestly, being in New York for so long and my room looks like it belongs to an 8-year-old boy. Like, this needs to change, like, ASAP. So step number one, I'm gonna declutter everything. Giving overconsumption, like, on a really large scale. As I am not even being dramatic, but whenever I enter my room, this is my reaction. So we're gonna make a change.
You have to be somewhere. Maybe bonus. I see you.
And from let come full got nine and now we kids.
I'm like, look, I'm going to now. If you know, we now. There's a sub because come on now. My toes.
And my toes.
Yeah. You can tell my toes. Ha, I'm being eat bacon and
And I mean, I feel
baby, I'm just sit down and go. Shame about that. Because when you want to call happy, hi.
When I listen to it empty, at least they're any laugh and no tandazo. And it's well, I mean, over to your long time ago, I tell.
So much of that live, please.
I feel like this room has so much potential, but it's looking a bit awkward. Honestly, being in New York for so long.
Your order. Can I order for my friend? My friend, I left her.
So step number one, I'm gonna declutter everything. Giving overconsumption.
I was gonna bring her something.
As I am not even being dramatic, but whenever
Hamburgers are cool. Hamburgers.
we're gonna make a change.
2 minutes. 37 man. What 39? Hello guys, hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm good. Bayazi. Good morning. You guys won't believe. You guys won't believe this. You guys won't believe this. Thank you, Junior. Did you send me a heart? You guys won't believe this. I woke up around 1 a.m. I even remember the time. It was 00.55. It was 5 minutes to 1 the time I woke up. Since until never from 1 up until lunch, and it's close to 10. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost 10 hours. Ngalele. Uyacabanga leyo nto. My insomnia is so serious. The insomnia that I have is way serious. It don't play. It don't play with me. It's so damn serious. Cause what do you mean when I don't sleep? I don't sleep for more than 5 hours. If it's long, it's gonna be 4. Or if it's long, maybe it's gonna be 5, but it's not gonna be above 5. Insomnia leak. Yes, that's me. That's me. If it's long, it's not gonna be above 5 hours. And I'm fresh. Like you will swear I slept full 8 hours. I am fresh. I can even go to school. I can do whatever. Like that's why I even went to rooftop to do some videos. The recent videos that I posted. It was around, I don't remember, it was around AM, it was those times. I even went to rooftop to do videos because I was bored. I was trying to scroll on TikTok, nothing. Trying to listen to music, trying to make myself fall asleep, nothing. I was like, let me just go and do videos. And then come back. Hey, Vev, how are you? This thing of me not sleeping, it's getting serious, guys. I am worried about me. I'm worried about my health.
At this point, I think now I'm getting notification when you load. You won lottery, come claim your money. Eating sale claiming money, bank for nail, about Mercedes, but no, come claim your car. It's been here waiting for you.
Sanjay, I do not have enough sleep, guys. But it's fine, guitaring. I get all because get a little kinga, get a little matata, amangata. Canali, hey, get a matata, serious. I thought, wasteland. Inja where? What is happening like inja? Yeah, guys, a food. Lelilungelo lakho. Ngagcina ukudlala ubhili, guys. Ulithayile YouTube. I'm just good morning and stuff. Phone and I food. Oh shame. When you have phone. Don't be cautious, don't be kind. You committed, I'm your crime. Push my button. Anytime you got your finger on the trigger, but your trigger finger's mine. Silver dollar, golden flame. Daddy water, perfect murder. I don't belong to anyone, but everybody knows my name. By the way, you've been on invited. Cause all you say, we're all the same thing excited. Trying to come and watch your back when you can't watch mine. Copy, trying to call my grandma. I'm so sad, but he can't have mine. Tell me, hey, how are you? This kamu phela ne. Pengisho kamu phela fundisa imina. Hawenga black ring lights kodwa ka phone. Just a cloud. By the way, you've been uninvited. Cause all you say, we're all the same thing excited. You can't watch me. It's so sad, but you can't have mine. I wouldn't hate to see you go. Hate to be the one that told you so. You just crossed the line. You ran out of time. I'm so sorry, now you know. Sorry, I'm the one that told you so. Sorry, sorry, I'm sorry, sorry. Psych. Good morning and good night, because I'm about to sleep. All the same things I did. Watch you back when you can't watch mine. So sad, but you can't have mine. Mm-mm.